twali ku gatuvudde Carolina Tongo tugudde ku baana ba Ijaz obategedde batabani ba Ragga Dee mulimu one of Ragga Dee's kids babadde South Africa ngera badde batubuze mu kumaso wabula wetubadde awo abaana bano bakomyewo Uganda ngera kigambe balina project gye balina okubanga ate bakola babimbire South Africa tebijja nnyumira banna Uganda so ne bakomawo bakoleyo actually they're going to do with Palasa and Andre very so tubasuubira mu kisinga abaana ba Ragga Dee abaana b'eggwanga era ng'emijiji emito ginyuma okuwa obudde n'okuweza bana baffe nabo oli omuntu w'eggwanga bakomyewo wabula mbadde nsaba emboozi eno tugirekeyo obudde bwe butambudde ziri 5:08 zakaita kusawa mukaaga program wetu welina okubanga etambula abantu tatashabi ku Facebook Twitter ne ku Instagram era nga birthday yange tuuse munansonyiwa pozi nsiyanja enkyekiro sawa mukaaga 21st the queen was born na onagira onatwalako auto okay. It's a surprise. Si muntu bagamba mumpa ku sente nogamba okay. No kato when chikusunga olikuta my surprise. Okay. Mwana. Nenga happy birthday. In advance. Thank you boo boo. So you've made 18. Are you eligible to alcohol? Can you drink something? Level gentle sekos chayogera myako olwale. Do you eat take alcohol? Mukwano. Are you? I'm above 18. Okay. Yeah, when you're above 18, you've made 18. I'm above. Are you already 18? Welinda ko kuno mwaka under age. Mukwano kuno mwaka tugenda funa ne baby. Oliokuwa kaka senti tukuze. Guys, let's edit at this. Tomorrow we hope to be with Catherine Kusasira, we hope to be with King Sahala, we hope to be with Palazzo kongero kufuna updates kumbera jalimu na yetu we are planning to have a word from him. Until we link up, let's go chill and have some fun. And enjoy ko tugenda mu birthday week.
Yeah, I consider you.
We're great. Yeah, we're great.
The time you came back 3 months back, Ragga Dee introduced to the industry. He talked about the music you're going to do, the collabos. So what's happening with that?
So far, what's happening with that? That's why we came back to come and finish most of the collaborations here with Gyebawaniseemu, and Palazzo, a lot of artists in Uganda. Okay. Yeah.
You're having a project with Palazzo?
Yeah.
So when is that going to be out?
Very soon.
Yeah, very soon. We'll let you guys know.
Okay. Okay. Why Palazzo? Is it because it's the person who's on the block? Every person is talking about him. He has more hits. Why not Comedian? Why not Bobby Wine?
Because Palazzo founded us before we were all this. He looked at us and saw talent in us. He gave us a chance when nobody did. So we really truly appreciate and love Palazzo for that.
Okay.
So yeah.
How did you where?
At home back in South Africa.
You met in South Africa, not in Uganda?
Yeah.
Yeah, we met in South Africa.
Okay. So that's where the project is done too?
No, the project was done here.
Okay. By?
Nasim Khan Production.
Right now, I would say such vibes.
Okay.
Or I'll look into more of that, but so far, what I'm seeing, such vibes has some nice video.
Okay. Such vibes?
Yeah.
Is that you need to do your video?
Yeah.
Okay. Apart from Palazzo, which other artists are you looking on to do a collaboration with?
Grenade, Daddy Andre. Who else?
There's just a lot of people we're working on. We're gonna let you guys know this.
Up with this environment because most of people use Luganda, the kids, the elder people. Not everyone is educated like you are. So how are you going to deal with that?
So far we're planning on taking lessons and learning the language here.
Okay.
To engage more with the people in Uganda.
Okay. Okay, tell us your side.
Maybe like take lessons from our dad because you see he's from Uganda and he can also teach us. I know like a bit, not too much, but like a bit.
A bit. What? Okay, tell us about the female artist that you admire, that you need to do a collaboration with, that when I work with this person, I feel like my career is really up.
I would say Shiva.
Okay.
Shiva, she's very talented. She's a very powerful lady. So love to work with me. Yeah, and it would be out of this world if she did.
You want to work with Shiba? Why her?
Shiba, she, like, as far as I've seen, she's a very powerful woman. She's strong, independent, and that's what I like about her.
Okay.
And her music is just like on top for all these years that I've listened to.
Maybe you like the dressing code.